How to use Waze, the best driving app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Waze on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Where to at the bottom. Then search for the location you want to go to. If not, you can also click on gas station if you want, food, parking, groceries, and more. Here you can add your home, work, and drive to friends and family. You can add their contacts. Click on Where to at the top and search for the location you want to go. I'm simply gonna search one location and then click on View Routes. You'll find different routes in here. Click on View Routes and it will calculate your route as well. After that, it will show you in this map and you will also get overview at the bottom. You'll find all these options. Now you can simply go as the map shows. You will also get alerts of police, crash, and all the other options that are available in the Waze app as well. This is how to actually use the Waze app, which is the best driving app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.